this video, I will tell you some of the basic features of MS Excel or Google Spreadsheet that are required to make your data attractive and to make your data more readable. So what you can see here, I have created a dummy data. I have written here the marks of some of the students, and this is the result sheet I have prepared. So I am telling you some of the feature. So first of all, you need to type the data like this. I have typed whatever data you want to type. The first thing I am going to tell you is about the alignment. So what is the alignment? Alignment is the representation of your data in left side, right side, center, top, middle and bottom. So how can we do it? You can see this is my data and I want to make all the data in the left side. So what can I do? I will select the data. Selection is very important. Without it, no effect will appear. So I have selected the data. Now you can see three options of alignments are here. This is for the left alignment, this is the center alignment, this is the right alignment, and friends, these are the horizontal alignment, and this at upper side you can see the vertical alignment. If you want the data to appear at the top, this is the top alignment, again middle alignment, and this is the bottom alignment. Now we will see how they look. Suppose I want my data to appear at the left side. So I will select the data, then I will click on the left alignment button. Now you can see all the data has appeared at the left side, and if I want to take the center alignment, I will click on it. This is the right alignment. Okay friends, now you can see in this column, you can see in this column the column is bigger and I want to make it smaller. So how can I do it? I will just click on the at the edge of the column. You can see this is the J column. I will click at the edge of the column J and I will just drag it backward. I will just drag it up to the width that I want. Now it has become shorter, but you can see that the data is hidden. I cannot see my whole data. So what can I do? Very important option. Sometimes in Google Sheet also you find the data is not visible and data is hidden. So what can you do to bring your data back? Actually data is not hidden, it is just it is going outside the boundary of the column, so it is not visible. So what can we do? We will select the column and this option wrap text, we will click here. See this option wrap text, and I have clicked on the wrap text. Now you can see the data is appeared and it is in two parts, in two row we can say. So you can see this is the in these columns the alignment is at the center, but if I want all these columns to appear at the top, roll number to appear at the top, name to appear at the top, so what can I do? I will select the data and I will take this vertical alignment top option. You can see all the data is appearing at the top, and if I want to show them at bottom, I will take the bottom alignment. But I think it was looking better at the center alignment, so I am taking the middle alignment here. So this is the way we can arrange our data in left, right, center, or top, bottom, or middle alignment. So this is very useful, and this is wrap text option is also very useful when your column is getting bigger because of the text inside it and you want to make it shorter. To avoid the data to be hidden, you can wrap it by using the wrap text option. Friend, this is the column. You can see this is the one column. You can see, but actually it was not like this. I want to tell you the feature of merging. So it was like this, like all other column. I am deleting it for now. Now you can see I want to give a heading to my result sheet as result sheet. I want to give it a heading result sheet. So what can I do? If I write, see if I write result sheet, you will see it is appearing in the first column A. It is appearing in the first column, but I want to appear it at the middle. So this is not possible. If I use the alignment, you can see it will move inside the column A only. Right. But I want to make it appear at the center of my result sheet. So what can I do? I will go up to the width of my result sheet, up to the percentage. Then I will make all the columns as one column. How can I do it? I will click on the merge and center option. You can find it here in the alignment group, merge and center. So I will click on the merge and center option. Now you will see all these columns have become one column, and my result sheet is appearing at the center. So merge option is also very important option. Friends, you should know that these are all the menus of the MS Excel, and here we are working on the home tab. This is the home tab, and this option is this group which we used here, alignment, wrap text, and merge and center. This is the alignment group. So the same features are also available at the spreadsheet. I will just tell you one more feature I am discussing here. If you see the preview of this data, suppose you want to take the printout and you see the preview of this data, you will find that there is no border. There is no border. It is not looking like a table. So I want to create a border around my table. So what can I do? I will just select the data up to the width, up to the percentage. Then I will click here at the border option. You will find it at the font group. In font group, we will click here and we will take this all borders. If we want to make the border among all the rows and columns, we will use the option all borders. Now the border has been appeared. Now if I see in the preview, the border will be visible. You can see. Okay friends, these features are available in the Google spreadsheet too. Now I will tell you where you can find them, because the position may be different. You may not find them at that place that as we are seeing in MS Excel. They may be at different place. So this is the Google spreadsheet that I have opened by using my Google Drive. So the same data I have copied here. The merge option you can find from the format, and this is the merge cell option. In merge cell, the option is merge all, merge horizontally, merge vertically, unmerge. But here merge and center is not available. So what can you do? You can take the merge all option, and then you can use the alignment. This is the alignment, horizontal alignment. You have to click here. Then you will find the center alignment and the right alignment. Friends, this is the vertical alignment. This is for the top, this is middle, and this is the bottom. So you can find all the features, but maybe at different place in Google spreadsheet. The border option is also available. We will select the data, and this is the border option. We will click on the all borders and the border will appear. Wrap text option is also available. I want to wrap this text, so I will select it. I will go to format, and in format I will find the option text wrapping. This is the overflow that is currently applied here, but I want the wrap option, so I will click on the wrap option. Now I want to make all the alignment of the columns as top, so I will take the vertical alignment and I will opt the top option. Okay friends, so these features are available in Google spreadsheet too. You can select any of the feature. One more feature I am discussing. If you want to fill the background color in this heading, so what can we do? We will go to this is the fill color option, and here we can take any of the light color that will make it look as a heading. So I have taken this gray color. Suppose I want to make all the heading as bold, so I will select all the headings and I will click on the B, or I can press Ctrl plus B from the keyboard. Now you can see this is appearing as the bold. Now the alignment I can take as center, as it is not looking proper, so I have taken the center alignment. So friend, this is the way you can arrange your data, you can make it attractive and you can make it more readable. Hope you would like my video. In next video I will tell you some more features of MS Excel. Also I will tell you some very important formulas like calculating the sum, percentage, calculating grade, and like filtering, sorting. So wait for my next video, and this is all for today. Thank you.